When Rachel Fidel arrived in Kampala in 2015, she first stayed in a refugee shelter. It was a crowded but safe space for hundreds of Congolese refugees in urgent need of accommodation. Rachel and her 5 siblings were able to have hot meals after weeks on the road, fleeing the northeast region of the Democratic Republic of Congo.
Conditions were not really favorable. There were many refugees. It was tight, but we had no choice, and we hoped we could find a better place.
The center run by a local refugee agency also provided livelihood skills to help refugees become self-sufficient. Rachel learned how to make bread and now runs the Bondeko bakery and also trains her fellow refugees. She earns an income and has since moved to a more decent house. But she pays about $100 in rent every month, roughly equating to 40% of her earnings.
I've had problems with my landlord, who is not empathetic at all. There are landlords that you can explain your situation to, and they understand, but some don't care whether you are a refugee or not, and some will even make you pay more than what others are paying.
The housing crisis in Uganda is pushing thousands of other refugees and even some Ugandan nationals into informal settlements with a major lack of basic necessities.
The level of demand for services is outweighing the actual delivery of these services. Because of the population, because of the nature of settlements within the urban areas, if you just moved down to Kamocha here, you will appreciate that the issues around hygiene, the issues around sanitation, access to water for these families is a huge problem.
While the Bondeko Refugee Agency is helping refugees who would have otherwise had no roof over their heads, many more are struggling to survive. The government is setting up affordable housing projects, but low-income earners are still left out. With a housing shortage of more than 2 million units in Uganda, many people are left with no choice but to live in substandard houses like this here behind me that need an urgent upgrade. Isabel Nakiria, CGTN Kampala, Uganda.